What I would like to do today is I'd like to talk to you about power. And I'd like to talk to you about how much power and control we actually have. And I would like to shift your perspective on that. So I'm going to start by asking, any time in your life you've ever felt powerful, where like you had control of a situation, where you just have it nailed down, and you've got everything in place, and you know exactly where you're going, and you know exactly how you got where you are, and you really feel, that feeling that you got it. And I think probably a lot of you, if you've ever felt that, you know what comes after that. We're gonna kill these guys today, and we're gonna do it as a team. You're not gonna separate us. Nobody's gonna separate us. And I was furious, and I was angry, and I was so excited. I couldn't wait to play my old team. Long story short, we go out and we beat Edmonton by 30 points. It was a moment in time where I felt like I had so much power and control over my life, and that everything that happened out there was because of what I did. You get through all this stuff, and I realize, you think you have all of the control and all of the power because maybe I just thought a little bit too much that it was just about me. And reality was, there was a group of people that got together every week and tried to win football games, and I really liked those guys. People in the office, and there's the people on the field, and there's the training staff, and there's all the PR guys, and there's all this stuff going on. And in order to win football games, there's a whole bunch of people that have to do a whole bunch of things. They got to come together, and they got to build a yearly team together, and they've got to do that all together. And if they don't, what happens is you fail.